Hello everyone, I'm gonna sing Lazy Song by Bruno Mars.
Capture your world.
It's loading. My computer is kinda slow, but it's coming. Here it is.
Today
I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan, turn the TV on and throw hands in my pants. Nobody can tell me I can't. I've been lounging on the couch, just chilling in my snuggie. Take two MVP, teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the freaking man. Oh, I said it, I said it, I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up the phone, so leave a message at the top. Today I swear I'm not doing anything. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wake up to something happening really nice, and she's gonna scream out, "This is great!" Yeah, I'm at my room, college degree. Thought my old man always so proud of me. Sorry, pops, we'll just have to wait. Oh, oh, I said it, I said it.